Hey everyone, I'm here at CES 2025 and I am super excited to share all the latest innovations that are coming to us this year. Let's go inside and check it out. Here we are on the inside. As you can see, there's going to be plenty for us to take a look at. There's over 4,000 different exhibitors. Our first stop is going to be over with xTool because I want to give them a huge thank you for allowing me to be here for this amazing experience. So let's go ahead and check them out. Here's their booth. I think I actually see their CEO over there, Jason. So let's also see if we can get a few words with him. You're not only the CEO, but like the mind behind the machine. The engineer has stayed part of the business, which I think is really authentic and very cool.
Yes, so actually I joined every detail of the product development.
I think that shows because you guys have only been around since 2020?
2021, yeah. It was 3 or 4 years right now from there. But before, we do make blog is kind of education business. Yes, this is our new business.
I want to know the day in the life of somebody like you because your business has grown. I imagine you start with kind of small number of employees, but now you must have a lot. Do you know how many employees you have at xTool at this point?
Yeah, nearly 2,000 people.
So like a day for Jason, I imagine you get pulled in a lot of directions, right? A lot of people are asking you questions.
Yeah.
If nobody bothered you at all, where would we find Jason? What's your favorite department to work in?
I like to discuss with our product manager. I have a lot of meetings every day, different topics meetings. But the most exciting meeting for me is discuss with the product manager. So decide every details about the product and discuss about this new product in future. So that's my exciting thing.
Very good. So
Yeah.
kind of leading back to being an engineer, you want to be part of the product advancements.
Yes, so actually I'm the head of our product manager team. So every year I decide which product we should develop, and what's the features, the key features of the product. It's also I decided.
Awesome.
Yeah. This year we will have 6 or 7 new products.
6 or 7. Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
And we also have built our US office, US team, a very strong team here in Mountain View. Yeah. So we will have a strong support team. Yeah, here.
Very cool. So US-based support.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's incredible. I think that'll be very much appreciated. xTool seems to always be at the forefront of technological advances with laser engraving. My question is, how do you guys stay at the front of the line with all these other companies copying what you guys do? How do you keep all those secrets, and where do you get the inspiration?
Yeah, a lot of people are following us. Innovation is in our gene.
Yes.
Yeah, I told our engineer and the product manager. So every product come out from xTool should be innovation. We keep a very fast speed. So a lot of people are following us. The only way that you can keep your position is running fast. Yeah. So in our, is for our engineer team to build very good product in very fast speed is our philosophy.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
So you can see in this year we will show the real speed of our teams.
It's really incredible. Like you're talking about the speed. We're impressed how quickly the new products are coming out. It's really impressive. Do you guys own the factories that build the things, or do you partner with other factories?
Our own factory.
Do you?
Yes, we have our own factory. So that's why we can keep a fast speed.
Yes.
To go from engineering to production. And we also build a factory in Thailand. Yeah, so now we have 2 factories.
Very cool. It's impressive the amount of product you guys get out. That's incredible.
Yeah.
So now that's going to be my last question is, if you had the chance to say one thing and all of your customers would hear it, what would be that one thing you would want to tell your customers?
So thanks to our customers, so we have very good customers. Yeah, and we can grow at this speed, and it's thanks to the feedback. We always got very good feedback from our customers. So the vision of xTool is to help people to create. Yeah, so we will continue to innovate new products that help people to enjoy creation, and we will always be in the forefront of this area. Each area that we enter in, we will be the try to be the first, and we will be the first.
Absolutely. Awesome. That's perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me out, Jason.
Yeah.
As you can see here, xTool has a lot of their machines here. So right here we have the F1 Ultra. If we come over to this side, and we're laser engraving inside, but there's no fumes or smoke because they have the AP2 filtration system. So no smoke, no fumes or anything like that. It's all captured by the AP2. And here you can see a live feed of what the F1 Ultra is showing. Over here, it looks like they've got a bunch of different examples. So all these examples here are all made with xTool machines. We've got different wood projects, clocks, metal projects, and even right here you can see that high amount of detail you can get with your laser engraving here. That looks like a photograph back there, but that's actually just a black painted canvas with that the laser has removed the black. And here we have the M1 Ultra. It's their all-in-one machine. The M1 Ultra can do vinyl cutting, laser cutting, got an embossing tool on it. It can print color, it has the pens that you can use. It's really is like an all-in-one machine. And here today we have, who's this with us?
Joe.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you like about the M1 Ultra?
Just that it's versatile, that you can basically do anything with it. So yeah, you can do wood, you can do acrylic, fabric, all kinds of materials. So it's multifunctional. So yeah.
I see you've been cutting out some things with the M1 Ultra. You want to show us what you've got?
Sure. So I've been ink printing first.
With the ink print module, and then I use the laser to cut out different shapes or whatnot. And
There we are.
There it is. Wow.
If you can see the fine detail on the stamp, it's pretty amazing.
Can we see the backside too? Wow, yeah, look at that. Very
That's
clean.
without air assist.
That is without air assist. Incredible. Joe, I may have seen you in a video on YouTube. Did you get a chance to go over to China and see their factories? How was that experience for you over in China?
that was amazing. The people, they were all so nice, and then the food, it's different that I'm used to, but it was really good.
For sure.
And I visited the factory and assembling my own M1.
You got to assemble your own machine. Very cool.
It was a great experience.
Imagine so. Well, Joe, thank you for showing me the M1 Ultra. I really appreciate the demonstration.
Yeah, you're
Nice to meet
welcome.
you. As you can see here where it says we create to simplify creation, that's one of the things that I really enjoy about xTool. It's not just about the tech, it's about enabling people to be able to create for themselves. And that's really one of the visions that xTool has. There's a lot of creativity happening here at xTool, but there's still a lot to see. So let's go check it out.
For all you pool owners, let's see what Aper has been up to. This is the Scuba X1 Pro Max, and it seems they have taught their pool cleaning robot how to swim. So now it can clean the floor, the sides, and the surface of your pool. They also have this solar monitoring device that you put in your pool, and it connects to your phone and lets you know the chemical balance of your pool. And if anything needs adjusting, you get a notification. This company called Cold Snap created the Keurig of ice cream. You put a can in the top and it instantly freezes and dispenses ice cream ready to eat. And with no contact on the machine, there is no cleanup either. Here is a company called CatLink, which seems to have a smart solution for dealing with litter, feeding, watering, administering medication, and this big box here is for drying your cats. A company called Rolling Seeds was combining digital learning with physical objects, which I can imagine must access our brains much better than just tapping on the glass of a screen. Newer is known for making affordable camera gear. As a user of their products myself, I was excited to get to see this automated camera slider. The convention was full of portable power solutions, but I had to give this company props for the lightning bolt hair on their mascot. Creality was here, and it looks like they are pushing the limits on speed and power when it comes to 3D printing. I wasn't sure what this cat was all about, but now I'm feline pretty sure it's positively trying to steal my wife. Iuna has this cute little dog robot, and it seems these are getting more interactive and expressive each year. I was on a search to find robots, but I ended up just finding this real man? I got to catch my first ride in a Tesla and was excited to see it took us through one of Elon Musk's boring tunnels. It was a lot more fun than the name gives it.
Yeah. It's insane how well it contained the blast.
As a first timer at CES, I know there's still so much more to explore, but that's it for this video. Big thanks again to xTool for the opportunity to check out all of this incredible tech. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they have for us next. If you want to stay updated on all of that, be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, and leave a like. Until next time, be encouraged, stay inspired, and keep on creating.